Hello friends, welcome to Tutorials Point. In this video, let us see how to create an object. Firstly, when you want to create a class, package is itself a class. So, how do you create a package? By using package keyword followed by package name. This is nothing but our class. Next is to implement your class. For implementing your class, you have to create a subroutine here by using sub keyword, and this subroutine name can be new or any other name. Inside this, create a class name so that you will be catching the class name while you are creating an object. Next is create a constructor. It can be a hash reference or an anonymous array. Now, to relate your reference to your class name, then you have to use a special function called bless. At the last, you have to return your constructor. Now, let us see how to create an object. To create an object, just give the subroutine name. Here I named it as new. It can be of any name, and then give the package name, that is nothing but the class name. And if you want to pass any parameters, you can just pass while you are calling this subroutine with the class name. These parameters are nothing but the parameters which you are passing to the anonymous array or hash reference. Now let us see a simple example.
Let us create a class now. For this, give a keyword package followed by the class name. Package is nothing but a class. Create the object constructor by a subroutine called new. This name can be any name. Pass the class name first. Create a hash reference or an array reference. I am creating a hash reference here. Where I will be passing the skill name. Bless the hash reference with the class name. Now return the reference. At the end, mention one semicolon. Now let us create the object. For this, use the package name and create an object by calling the subroutine and the class name, and we are passing one value to the hash reference, the value to this hash. So we have to pass a parameter. I'm just passing one string called Perl. Now let us try to print this value with the help of object. As it is a hash reference, we have to make sure that we are giving an arrow mark. Let us test it. This is how you can access the values in the hash reference through an object. Now if you try to print the reference, what is the reference of this object? Reference is the class name of that object. Now let us print this object using data dumper. Object is itself a reference, so you have to pass the reference to the dumper. If you can see here, this is a blessed object having the hash reference along with the class name.